Hey guys, so I wanted to share with you my good girlfriend just launched her Christian luxury handbag line, and I'm so excited, so proud of her. I had the pleasure of seeing the samples before they went to production, and I'm just in awe. The brand is called Your Beatitudes. Again, that's Your Beatitudes. Let's get into the branding. I am in love with people who pay attention to details when it comes to their branding. I mean, love it already. So go ahead and start this opening process. Oh yes, I'm Beatitudes blessed. A transformed attitude results in endless blessings through abundance. Come on with the abundance. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about the abundance. That's what I'm talking about. Then we have, wait a minute. Oh, we have the duster bag. For the handbag. Yes, love it. Love the attention to detail. Okay, we have the card in here. Oh, thank you card. Care instructions, spiritual, sustainable, stylish. Yes, indeed, honey. Yes, indeed. Seat here. Get into this bag. I absolutely love it. And just so you know, this bag comes in green as well. Beautiful color. I plan on getting that as well. That's happening. Look at this. I love the design. I love it. I love the size. See, there's some space back there to put some stuff. And this bag, y'all, it's called the Elizabeth. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this is my favorite part, y'all. That, again, attention to detail is so very important, and I love what she did with this. Hold on. Look at that. Look at that. So just get a look at what she has written in this this gold plaque. It's persecuted peacemakers mourn, pure in heart, poor in spirit, righteousness, merciful, meek. Basically, just come as you are. No matter where you're at in life, come as you are. You're all welcome. No judgment. I love this. I just really do. And it does come with a shoulder strap, but I am more of a tote girl, so yeah, I'll be doing that. And if you're like me, you know, I definitely support Black-owned businesses. You know, if I can buy Valentino, if I can buy YSL, I can spend money to support my good girlfriend and her luxury handbag line, and you can do the same. So, that part. Okay? Bye.